Alrighty, let's talk about how to complete the homework for tonight. This is a T-chart, a multiplication T-chart. Kids can make these whenever they're working out problems in class. They can also create these on notebook paper whenever they are taking state tests, since that is not a resource given. So this is one strategy that we're using to help them learn their multiplication facts. Really simple. It's just helping them become more fluent, and that's why it's homework. So as you can see, here we have one set of factors, and whatever factor is on the right hand side, the right column at the very top, that is your second factor. So like you would see 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 divided by 2 is 2. These are good for multiplication and division, as well as skip counting. So we draw 2 dots to do the 2's, and let's go ahead and do the 3's. Okay, so you'd say, you would go ahead and write all the way down to 12. Okay, and your papers should have the lines. Mine didn't copy well, so I'm going to draw the lines. Okay, so we know, we say 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, and you keep going all the way down. And I always tell kids whenever they get to their 10, because we know our 10s are very easy to count by, to make sure 3 times 10 does show, or whatever factor times 10 is correct product right here. If not, they can go back and find their mistake in the other factors. Okay, so you just draw the number of dots above, go all the way down to 12. Like I said, it's super simple. If you get to a number that you can very easily skip count by, like 5s, you can still write them down. I'm not going to do all of these today. So instead of counting each one individually, if you know how to skip count by a number, you can just go through and go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, verify, 5 times 10 is 50, 55, 60. Okay, and you'll do that all the way down. We skip 10 just because it's very easy to count by 10s. And here you go. That's how you complete tonight's homework. If you have any questions, please reach out.